What comes to mind when you hear the word manufacturing?
My name is Dan Fiskus.
Jessica Hamill.
My first name Brian, but you can call me Nyan.
What background education or training is required for your job?
So I have a 4-year mechanical engineering degree from Penn State.
I have some college, but I actually have a background in nursing.
I got 2 associated degrees in computer information system, 4-year degree at Penn State for plastic engineering technology.
Erie Pacific began in 1913 in Los Angeles with battery boxes. Erie Pacific realized significant advances would come from reusable and recyclable injection molded parts. Erie Pacific's footprint has expanded to include 8 manufacturing facilities from Los Angeles all the way to Mexico.
You know, we got like 5-star grading. I would say grade for 5+.
Manufacturing is exciting. It's new. There's a lot of new technology and a lot of opportunity. And it's not a dark building that you go to that's dirty all the time. Aside from the technical aspect of manufacturing, there's also the softer side, making sure that the employees are taken care of. There's the safety aspect in which we need to manage our safety culture and make sure that we're always working towards the safest possible work environment.
Erie Pacific stands out because they put family first.
So Erie Pacific is a family-owned, family-oriented company.
I want to stand out. I want to support our community. Every month you have a charity to donation thing here and there for people. We donate money, toys. One of the street house burned out. So our manager here has run out there and helped the firefighter to get the fire to go away. Manufacturing is not just a money, just about all people.
Not every job requires a 4-year degree. Where we're reaching out more from the manufacturing side to the communities and to our youth.
So our job is to make things possible.
3,